Why, hello, guys.
Hi, welcome.
What are we making? Eyeballs right now.
Eyeballs.
Eyeballs. Miss Maya B, what are you doing?
I was just cutting.
We're in the workshop of the new place.
Some lips.
Here's old Generali. He's busy making giraffe eyelashes right now. And look at all these giraffes over there. We got the costume queen over there.
Hello, everybody.
Julie.
Welcome.
We are busy with 13 giraffe heads. I mean, how cool are these? Hey?
So these these will go.
So we're in our new spot. This is the workshop area. We have Buster over there is our new staff member.
Buster Ryan.
Buster Ryan. Okay, and then this looks a little scary, but over here, this is our new workshop storage space of the building. So it's obviously, we've only just moved in, so we've got quite a lot of things going on here. But this is the whole storage area, which we want to build a mezzanine on the top so that we can have the costume hire up over there on the top, and then we're going to break through that over there so that we can have all those rooms and up here with the costume hire. There's old Corbs, our cleaning queen, and then this whole space here is going to get cleared, and I'm going to put mirrors up, and we're going to try and have some like rehearsal spaces here, and maybe some aerial silk lessons, and we can do dance things, and maybe we're going to get a screen so we can have little movie nights, and I can rent this space out to, you know, people, and we're going to do headpiece workshops and all of that sort of thing. This is the kitchen. Here's our Brendani. She's got her little one with her today because she's a bit sick. There we go. Hello. This room is the total shit show, but not to worry. We are getting there, slowly but surely. Okay, once we go through here. Corb's on the phone. Hello, Corbs. Hello. Molo. Here we have Chantal working away, and that's my desk over there. She's eating away and working away. Got Marconian over there, and the Unati over here, and Natalie is meant to be over there. And then when we go up here, we go up the stairs to the costume area, which obviously there's still a lot of work to do. You know, don't freak out, but here's the first room with a whole lot of costumes. We're going to put shelves all around, but we've got a whole lot of our costumes in here and some of our crazy masks. But, oh, it's looking tidy. I haven't been up here for a while, so that's very exciting. But that's quite cool, right? Then we go to the next room. We've got a shower and a toilet, so we can have a little changing room. Here's more stuff getting packed away. Got Camerooni over here, busy sorting things out. Here's the other room full of costumes and hats, and oh my god, it's looking so organized. It's bloody amazing. So much better than the last place. And we're all together. Some of my amazing festival coats that I make. And over here, this one is still a slight shit show, I would say. But, you know, we're getting there. Some body parts. Got these from the Woman King movie. All the legit Woman King things, we got them. So here's a little wee pile of shit, but it's fine. We're getting it together. So that's it, boo. That's our new spot. That's how I say hello. Here I am. And we shall do some more videos soon. Hope you're all having a good day.